Hi, and welcome to Advocate. This video is to show you how to create a wish list once your application has been approved. First thing I'm going to do is log in with my account on advocatewithus.com. Once I click sign in, I'll be taken to my dashboard where I can view the current programs that I'm involved with. As you can see, I'm a recipient in the Garden Market program with 2 applications. I'm going to click view details, or I can click up here on my applications to see their status. When you're approved in a program, you receive an email that tells you it's time to go create your wish list. And as you can see, the status of my applications here is approved. Click on the actions and click view program. Next, once I'm inside the program I was approved for, I'm going to go click on my wish list. From here, I will be able to see what household members need to fill out requests that donors can eventually sponsor. My wish list page looks just like what a donor would see. I have the ability to select a banner image from a set of options. And as you can see, I also need to go make sure every element that is showing a warning sign is filled out. So, very first thing, I need to fill out my household circumstances. What this is asking for is a personalized story and description of any needs related to the program, which will be visible to donors. Essentially, this is the story of why you are seeking assistance from this nonprofit program in the first place. And click Save. Once my changes have been saved, I no longer have the notice that will tell me what I need to do. As I have 2 approved applications, it means I can submit 2 wish lists, one for demo recipient and one for recipient son. My next task is to fill out the wish list information for demo recipient. This question is, what are you hoping to get from this program? This will be seen both program administrators and potential donors. I'll click on Answer Questions and write in my response. And click Save Changes. Next, I need to fill out my requests. It tells me exactly how many requests I need to meet the program minimum. Many programs set their wish list with minimums and maximums based on what their offerings are, so this will vary. I will click on Add Request. This window pops up with the available options I can choose. I'll choose Custom, and then once I choose Custom, there's an option for a description of what I'm looking for. I'll click Create Request. Now I would continue to repeat this process until I have met the minimum number of items that I need to add. I'm going to add some more requests so you can see what it looks like fully finished. Once I've added the minimum number of requests, you can see that I get the green check mark that tells me everything is approved for the next step. If I need to edit an item, I can click on Edit any other component of the information. And if I need to delete an item, I can also press Delete, which will remove it. And if I go back underneath the minimum number of items on my wish list, I have to add 1 more. As you can see, there's this limit of 1 per wish list on certain items, or a limit of 2 per wish list. Each item may have a maximum that would cause it to not be able to be selected once again. This wish list for demo recipient is fully done. Next, I need to fill out the wish list for my other household members. I now have all the wish list information filled out, as well as requests. As you can see, my wish list is completed. The only thing that's left to do is await the administrators approving each of my requests. They may send me a review just in case there's something that looks a little off about one of my requests. And if you do have a review, two things will happen. First is you'll be notified with an email. And second, you'll be able to review your requests right here under the Review Request tab. We'll go there now and check it out. As you can see, we do one request that requires my attention, an administrator flag. So I see the status is under review. Review notes say please review description, and I can either edit the item in question based on what they asked for, click update, and now my request has been sent back to the administrator for approval. Once all requests have been properly approved, your wish list is now available for donors to see and sponsor. If you have any questions about your program or there's something that doesn't show up in the application the right way, you can always click the overview and search for who you should contact for questions or issues at the nonprofit right here, or you can click report a problem to send our support team a notice where we can help you. Thanks for watching.